I fucking love scrambler tires. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing with the Desert Sled build and stripping down this CB175. I have a couple of parts here, as you can see, that I want to take you through, but we'll get to that in a minute. You might also notice that we're down a motorcycle here in the garage, guys. To fund these builds, I have to flip some bikes, guys. So when I got the CT90 running, we sent it off to a new home. Right, no more messing about, guys. Let's get straight into it and get this CB175 stripped down, the frame and engine. Let's do it. Alright guys, that is everything stripped off the bike at the moment that I needed stripped off. Yeah, since I've taken everything off, I've noticed how bad and how dirty this bike actually is. Take a look inside here, guys. Oh my god. Look at the state of that. I'm gonna have to give that a serious clean, guys. Try and get all of that muck and out of it. It just looks terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do my best to get a good clean on that. I'll be changing the sprocket anyway and the rear one, so that won't matter. But yeah, I just gotta get that cleaned out as much as possible. And up around here as well is super dirty. I think the whole bike, guys, just needs a really good clean. I'm gonna do that, and any of the areas that have a little bit of rust, I'm going to tidy up that frame as well with some of the some black spray paint. Tidy all that bits up, and any of the chrome as well is going to get tidied up. But yeah. Also guys, I like to keep everything tidy and in place while I'm building bikes. So basically, yeah, I just put all my parts in separate little tubs. Label the tubs as well, so I know what parts go where and what bolts go where. It's just a hell of a lot easier and smoother while you're doing your build. I just like to do that. I might be a bit anal, but I think everybody likes to do it. Also guys, as I'm not removing the wiring loom for this build, I'm leaving it in place because it's not supposed to be a perfect build. It's just basically a mess around bike for myself. I always just, whenever I cut off any of the actual lights or anything electronic, I always just label. I put labels on all of the wires so that I know what goes where and what wire is connected to what. So I do it all up here as well. All my wires get labeled. It's just a hell of a lot better, guys, and just, I think, makes it a hell of a lot easier to remember in case you have to come back to it after a while. Alright guys, first thing is first. I am going to remove the tires from these wheels, and I'm going to clean them up because they are covered in surface rust. So, and I have to change this sprocket as well. So I'm going to clean up the wheels. I'm going to put on the new tires, and then I'm going to put the wheels back on the bike because I generally like to envision how it's going to look, and I just feel like the new tires and the wheels cleaned up always make it easier to envision how the end of the bike is going to look. So yeah, let's get to that. Clean these wheels. Alright guys, I think they cleaned up pretty well. I gave them 2 passes with the scour and the WD-40. Came up really nice. Just clean enough to get the tires put on. So I'll probably give them another pass when I get the tires put on them before I put them back onto the bike for the final. But for 2 passes, guys, they came up really nice.
3 hours later.
I bet you guys thought that I'd given up, but no. Still got it. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, guys, and then get back to it. Alright guys, so just before I show you the wheels and tires and mount them on the bike so we can get a look, I want to show you some of the parts that I bought from Amazon. Now I know some people really don't like buying parts from Amazon because they find them quite cheap, but honestly guys, if you search around, you do come across some really nice parts, and sometimes you can actually come across some OEM parts, so just keep an eye out. Now, let me show you some of these parts. Check this out guys, a really nice speedometer with backing light. It's really nice in the chrome, and it's actually quite heavy and sturdy, so it feels really good. $40 from Amazon. Really nice heavy duty luggage rack guys, finished in satin black. $31 from Amazon. Can't beat that. Final part I'm going to show you guys is this Bates style single seat that I got. It's made by High Fast, but $60 from Amazon, and it's a super cool looking seat. Now I'm not going to show you too many more parts because I don't want to ruin it. I don't know if you noticed this big ass box behind me. Now this is actually going to really set the bike off nicely when it's finished. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think it is. Have a guess. I don't know if I'll tell you if you're right or not, but yeah, leave a comment. Have a guess. Let's get these wheels mocked up on the bike, and then I'll give you a look. Let's do it. I absolutely love when the wheels and tires go back on, guys, because honestly, in my opinion, it always looks 10 times better, even though the bike is still completely apart. But I'll let you guys be the judge. So check this out. That's all we have time for in this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. It really helps me out. And guys, tune back in next time because we're going to start making some custom parts for the CB175, and you don't want to miss that. Until next time though, guys, as always, sláinte.